Welcome everyone, Scrembo here from Emotions Crypto Trading. Today I would like to talk about BTC and continue with the video series on price analysis, technical details, prediction of Bitcoin. We've got a situation that is minus 1% within the last 24 hours. We're 6.11% within the last 7 days. There's clearly a bearish momentum dominating the space of crypto. The market cap has been going towards 538 billion. We're looking at right now, the entire space has been under a great momentum towards 600 billion. Right now it's 538. There is a lot more to go because the altcoin market didn't move a lot. BTC dominant is still very high. We're looking forward a break below the 60% level. At the moment, it stays around 62.6. We're going to get into the CFOI altcoin season within the next pump, probably. That's what we're expecting. When the altcoin domination will rise, BTC domination will decrease, and we're going to get probably again, just like we did in the past, around 30 to 35 domination, which means that we're going to have Ethereum at way higher levels along with Ripple and all the other guys out there that will reach beautiful dollars. Let's get into the technicals, guys, and today I do wanted to share with you a longer term perspective, and it's 10th of December while I'm recording this. Just like you have saw on CoinMarketCap, we are having a bearish momentum under domination, but I did wanted to share with you 4 important zones for the current market statistics. We're talking about the one at the top, which is between $19,400 and $19,600, which has been able to print a pattern which is considered a heavy bearish. We've got 4 tops that are one after the other, clearly confirming a specified zone, which is finally pushing the markets lower under the previous zone that used to support us quite nicely. Take a look at that. And here I'm talking about 18,600, 18,800 resistance zone is at the moment. In the past, it has been supporting us, just like you can see. Then we did try to stay over there, but the upper side rejection was massive, where we had a couple of bearish signals. Then we broke below it, and I'm about to take this blue line out because it's nothing to do with the current video. And once we broke below, we've been retesting a level which has been also tested around 22nd of November right here, 17,500 up to 17,600. It is acting as a bullish support zone. We have bounced back quite nicely, revisiting the 600, 800s resistance zone even in the past, putting some pressure onto, just like we did right now. Take a look at that. And currently it's falling lower and lower, probably aiming towards another retest of the 500s up to 600s bullish zone right here. Or on the other side, if we form a double bottom earlier, slightly above right there from the previous bodies, which is also another chance, which is located around 7,900, then we're going to get a double top retest at the top. Those are the patterns we should play within the next period on longer term swing trade type of a business. Now, you definitely want to see how are these zones going to react. That's the main question I would ask myself, and that's what I'm looking after. Like, I have the ability basically to either wait until the market is pushing to the top, because I need a very powerful energy before I can execute a swing trade. I can do day trading on lower time frames, but I cannot do anything as per 4-hour candlesticks and buy into something and hold for a while right now. I did shorted the market earlier, a lot earlier, above $19,000. But now, if it's the question, would you re-enter in a swing trade with a new position at the moment? Well, it's not possible, because you're actually at the middle from the distance of the 2 zones we're talking about. So you're not at the top, which means that you're waiting it out and see if you can short it or you can long it. and you're not in the bottom, which means that you are actually doing the same thing. You're waiting it out and then see if you have to long it or short it, depending on how the market reacts and closes down on the candlesticks. That's all about it, guys. It's really, really all about it. We got to make sure to wait out and buy into the actions of the market as soon as we have a proper technical analysis, we understand the data, and we're able to sort of a way react to the language of the market in the right way. For those of you looking to find out more about the business and how to trade, and if you want to learn and ride the current bull run, make sure to check out scrembocoaching.com, which is my website. I'm talking about my private one-on-one coaching program. And there's a video explaining it here. You can register now and qualify for a free conversation with me on Skype. We can have a couple of ideas that could change over there and explain you as soon as you are agreeing on the terms that I'll be sharing with you on your email before. It's very important to learn the business before you're doing anything, because there's a lot of the people losing money on the bull runs, which shouldn't be the case. So that's what we are right here with a bullish zone, resistance zone, but there's something else which is still staying at the bottom of this structure, and that's the 16,300 up to 500 support zone. This is a major one. Last time we were touching this, we were very, very powerful. So now I'm questioning if we could retouch this right here. The first thing that I'm saying is, as soon as we break below 17,500 up to 600s, if we break below the above zone, there's a space here of 6.64% room to make money by shorting it. Now the great thing is, in the way the market is currently structured here and the buying energy we've been going through, it is clearly that the current top we're having, it is not the final top of the market, and we're going to break out of it. When the market is going to break out of the top, the altcoins will go wild, and probably the altcoins will go earlier in a wild way, which means that I would consider longing BTC from the bottom support zone, which means 18.8% until the all-time high position, multiply with leverage, assuming 5x leverage, that is very close to 100% on my position. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, that's a very, very good swing trading and position trading buying zone. On the other side of the things, we might get a double bottom right there, or from the middle of the charts, we might set up a higher low of the current structure, which I don't really trust at the moment that much. Even though there is rejection under it, I cannot trust this that much in order to get myself involved in a swing trade, which means that I'm not going to get myself involved in such a thing. I'll let the market play out its job and see what would be the outcome in case of retouching the 600s up to 800s resistance zone, forming a double top there, and then crashing back. This would be an alternative. Or we're going to simply crash down from now. This is the second scenario. The third one would be down to the bullish zone, up to the resistance zone, and crashing basically to the support zone. We're expecting a bullish time during 2021 January. We're expecting a bullish timing big time, and we gotta build our portfolios up quite nicely until that, which means that we gotta make money out of the shortings, we gotta make money out of these bounces, and we cannot allow the markets to take the profits we were successfully banking in during the huge bull run we've actually taken advantage of. So that's where we are at the moment. It is quite interesting with the market condition and situation. Just like I said, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, put your thoughts in the comments area, and I'm waiting you over scrembocoaching.com for those of you looking to become professional traders. That is the place I'm teaching one-on-one. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow.